Hello, it's Anthony. We're at Rosie's new place for a bus. Is it our bus? Are we saying it's our bus or your bus? My bus. It's Rosie's bus. But I'm somehow chief mechanic. So we've, obviously, as you know, the window fell out on it, on its MOT. So we've got the replacement window and we're going to fit it now, but I just need to remove all the glass out of it. Apart from like the bodywork, it's actually a really nice bus. I know a lot of the community has been like a bit harsh on it because it's a solo, but yeah, it's been a working bus for a long time. This, so it's rough on the outside, and I don't want to blame Moffat and Williamson, but I don't think they sanded it because you can still see old bits of you know, like colour from Stagecoach. Okay, Rosie's telling me about her Wi-Fi, so this needs fixing. So this is one of the jobs that's on plan. I know, I saw that the other day. But yeah, outside it's a bit rough. It's well loved. Inside, well, it has its moments. I mean, realistically, inside, I would say you wouldn't think it's been on the road for 20 years. It's really clean, minus the mess that we've put here that we're going to clean up. But the seats are...
That, we really need to clean that and down there before we take it anywhere.
Yeah, there's a few bits where the glass got broke.
There is bird feathers in again.
I don't think the bird feathers...
That definitely is a bird feather.
No, I think it's... Oh, maybe it is. So yeah.
I reckon it got on the door. Oh, that reminds me, I need to message that guy.
What, doors?
No, I found someone who's selling the brushes.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, we need new brushes. I need to.
He's selling a bundle of parts, but he said he'll sell them separately.
Okay. There's that guy in Wales that we need to go and visit as well.
Yeah.
So now we're just going to go and fit the mirror. No, not the mirror. The window. And then we need to fit some new wind mirrors.
I feel like one of them
I've left them.
That gets the red cut off.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder. You're the question, you're the answer. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down.
2 hours to fit that window. You'll see on the time lapse. Now, what? The doors can't. You pick your sticker up. So what? It can't. The bell can't go off until.
The bell will go off. That won't light up more than like that.
Why will it not?
Well, ours don't.
They do with the door open. They do. Hang on.
Ready?
Yes! Oh, something that actually works within less than 3 minutes. Right, now I deserve a sandwich. I can't, I've got fucking shit in my hands. I deserve a sandwich now.
Yeah, fair.
Made Daddy a sandwich. Hey, it's Anne. I hope you're well, guys. This is day 2 of going to the bus to fix it. We ran out of time last night. Absolutely knackered. So yeah, It's 14:58. Rosie's got to get the bus to get to the bus because her car has popped its tyre, and for some reason she decided last night she wasn't going to deal with it. And obviously today's Easter Sunday, so I spent time with the family, been to church and stuff, and now heading to the compound to fix this bus. Now I do believe there is an event on in Worley, which is near the compound where we are parked up, and I've no idea if we can get into the place, so should be fun. Today's final jobs are, we've got some lettering to put on, fleet numbers that Rosie wanted. Honestly, I didn't come up with a fleet number. Cleaning, because it's going out tomorrow on a run at Worley Bus Day, so that should be fun. What else have we got? I swear this stickiness of this one is terrible. This guy in front doesn't know what he's doing. He's like slamming on to junctions for no reason. So yeah, we've legal lettering, new mirror, or mirrors if she lets me put the other one on. The other one that we're putting on is a temporary one. I don't know if it'll actually go on because it's huge. Tidying up. Gonna look at the gauges again. I think we might have got the gauges the wrong way around, so I'm gonna fiddle with the gauges. I'm gonna mark up. I'm probably just gonna use a bit of vinyl and some tape and mark up where they were, or take a picture. That usually helps. And basically swap them around, because what I believe is the oil bar isn't performing like the oil bar, if that makes sense. It's performing like something else. It's not fuel, so it could be temp. I don't know. I don't know enough. I only know a little bit about buses, and I haven't been able to find any wiring diagrams yet, because obviously this bus was sold mid-2006, so everything would have been on the bus, would have come with the bus. They would have like a pack or something, so we'll see. But yeah, I'll bring you along for the ride. Alright, so it's on, we're at the compound. Rosie's wrote fleet numbers on, so just prepping it for new fleet numbers. To be fair, oh, I forgot the black vinyl. What black vinyl? To cover up all the Moffat stuff. So this is what Rosie wrote on, which is fair enough. She wrote it on to give me a rough idea where she wanted it. So that's nice proper cow. Gonna clean it off, and then hopefully I get one like this on the side.
That is really good, actually.
So 47325 is the last one in the fleet for Stagecoach, isn't it?
No, the last one before Stagecoach Chorley.
Right.
And then 47326 was the first one for Stagecoach Chorley.
Right.
So
But this comes from the same batch though, doesn't it?
Same year.
Same year.
This is I can't remember what fleet number that is. 47318.
So
it's
473.
It's from that.
You tell me there was a fleet number in all the time, which I could have used to decide how big they wanted to be.
It's up there, yeah.
Thanks for that, Rosie.
No problem. No, it doesn't matter for now, though, because this isn't delivery, it's going to be.
No, so these are just temporary, but we are going to put them on ourselves eventually.
Yeah. That's what it will look like.
I think it'll be. I reckon if we can get a jackery or some sort of thingy device to plug in, I reckon we can sand all this down. I'm going to fiberglass all this bumper.
Yeah, that needs fiberglass.
That's going to be fiberglassed.
Yeah.
I still think we should go and see.
And especially whatever.
I think we should definitely go back to PVS and have a look, see if we can have a look at that bumper.
Yes.
And
this bit.
Yeah, that's what I'm on about, this bit. Because I don't think this is worth. Saying that though, it might come up dead easily.
Edges, because that's borderline becoming illegal if that doesn't stay.
I've got some black vinyl, so I can always cut out.
Yeah.
We'll just get Reggie's ordered.
I'm going to get a private reg soon.
Yeah, it's going in private reg. But yeah, so we're just going to clean this off.
Let's do manual labour.
I know, again, more manual labour.
Shop.
I think I know why your lights might be in acting like dicky. If you look through the top bit there and seen. So obviously I forgot to bring the black. I didn't bring the black vinyl with me. So I'm thinking this is a problem. But this must be vinyl. The way it's peeling off.
Plasticky stuff.
Can we get into this panel? Once we can get into that, I can measure that up now, and then bring some vinyl to it tomorrow. I need to make ones for fuel and stuff like that, so I'm gonna measure up. But yeah,
I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even
right. Fleet numbers on. This I'm gonna fix tomorrow. I think I need to measure it. I didn't touch it. New mirror on. Probably upside down. Don't know. Still got the Allen key for that, so if we need to change it. It's actually an IKEA Allen key. No, I can't need them. I know it's not, but I need to make a fuel sticker.
I've got one.
And he's been painted over. Over fleet number. In fact, I'm going to tell you, since you cleaned it, it actually looks like it might be a piss PB bus.
Yeah. Ignore the windows. They're not come out really well on this.
Oh my god, they're like you've jizzed on them. Another fleet number.
I'll bring some better glass for you as well. Squeegee.
And then the other one here. So, bit of a roundup. What have we actually done then? So we've fitted a window yesterday, continue today, fitted a bell. We've not fitted the bin because I think I need a drill. Rosie's about to go and she's left the bag on the bus. Good old Rosie.
I meant to do that.
We've sealed some of the windows up. Avanti. Avanti West Coast. Still some of the windows up. Not convinced by it. Yeah. I'm gonna get some. I've seen a product on Amazon to clean, restore blue plastic, so I'm probably gonna do that. We've got a ticket machine. Don't ask where it came from. You don't need to know. I've got some measurements of vinyls to do. We have this panel. This is going to be changed in the next coming weeks. This panel's the one that got damaged. We didn't damage it, but we have this panel. So we're going to get that. And then I think what I'm going to do next is fix this door, give it a nice blast, and then I'm assuming it's metal. This.
Yeah.
So I reckon I'll use some rust protection.
Bodge job they did.
Yeah, I think I'll do some. I think a bit of rust away might fix that.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, we know we can get a new door for 40 quid. It's just fitting, it's going to be a problem. And then I think I'm going to tackle the handrails. I think I'm going to mask it all off, sand up to about where most of the bad ones are, and then paint them. Rosie's going to get the paint for that, because I don't think this is going to be a big problem. I think once it's sandblasted and I cover the seats, I'll just cover the seats up in plastic bags.
Yeah.
Be fine.
We'll wait until we've been to this show first.
Yeah, this show's first, and then hopefully these jobs are going to happen over the summer, so that we can get it ready for town and district show and thingy. And before we do go to that, we are getting new tyres.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Especially if we're taking it as a showpiece. Right, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did,
We do need to put that as well.
hit your thumbs up. I'll sort that, what, the legal lettering?
No, the panel.
The panel's next job to do. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up, hit the like button, share, subscribe.
You enjoyed it.
Bye-bye.